and welcome to this tutorial on antonyms. Antonyms are words with an opposite meaning. Looking at the original Greek word, where ant means opposite and nym means name. What is the antonym for sweet? One example is sour, but other examples could be sharp or savoury. Have a go at the antonyms activity. Pause the video and match the words below with their antonyms. When you are ready, press play and we'll go through the words together. The antonym or opposite of borrow is lend. The antonym of thick is thin. And finally, the antonym of liquid is solid. Perfect if you got the correct answers. To watch the full video and to have a go at our 11+ practice quizzes, go to ariatuition.com. That wraps up this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.